the most important part is the units. The units used in the industry, in the market, for air conditioning units. And the most common unit is the BTU. What is the meaning of a BTU? It's a British thermal unit. It's basically the amount of energy required to rise the temperature of 1 pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, it's how much energy is required to rise the temperature of 1 pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, my friend, the first one is this. We are going to use a square feet method. A square feet method. Yes, we are going to calculate the capacity of the air conditioning equipment according with the area of the room in square feet. According with the area in square feet. Yes, and we are going to take in consideration if that room is sunny, because there are too much windows, and we are going to add it. Yes, and this method is good for our boats. The structure of our boats is in fiberglass. Remember, fiberglass is a good insulator of temperature. This is a great advantage. And other important thing is that the external color of the majority of the boats is white color. Per each 500 square feet of area, I need minimum 12,000 BTUs or 1 ton per each 500 square feet. Okay, that calculation, 12,000 BTUs per 500 square feet, included 2 people, and each people you need added 380 BTUs per person. Look at this. This is the price for the central chiller unit. Remember that the chiller unit have the condenser and the evaporator, and the evaporator is surrounded with fresh water. I explained in details the chiller unit, and those are the air handles. And look at this. Those air handles are in different capacities. Each this one, the smaller, is 4,500 BTUs, 6,000 BTUs, 12,000 BTUs, 48,000 BTUs. Yeah. Remember that the air handles, the capacity of the air handles, this plus this plus this plus this, all of them together should be equal to the capacity of the central unit. Yeah. The central unit is 60,000 BTUs. Okay, I can divide it in different air handles. Maximum 60,000. I prefer a little less. I prefer 10% less than the total capacity of the equipment. Alright, that's clear? The addition of all the capacities of the air handles should be maximum 90% of the total capacity of the central chiller unit. Yeah, in order to work in below the curve of efficiency. Okay, my friends, this is the procedure. And now you select the unit, and now you need to install the ducts and the grills. The ducts and the grills are a little different for marine applications, because basically the ducts and the grills are with the frame in wood, not in aluminum, like this. This is in wood, in order to avoid condensation of water on the edge of the grill. And the ducts are circular ducts, and they are fabricated in a special foam. The foam is a special isolator and is wire reinforced. And this is the charge to select those ducts. This is very important, this information. For example, this one, for 5,000 BTUs, I need a duct of 4 inches in diameter. And the grills for that specific duct, the discharge grill, the grill that discharge the fresh air, should be 30 square inches, and the return 60 square inches. Normally, the return grill is practically double that the discharge grill. Of course, because the return air is hot air, expand more volume, and you need a bigger grill. In the discharge grill, you need less air. In this particular case, for 5,000 BTUs, you need the duct, the diameter of the duct in 4 inches, and the grills 30 square inches the discharge and 60 square inches the return. Yes, my friend, this is not complicated. Look at the material. The material for the duct is basically foam. The yellow one is foam, and this is a plastic wire reinforced. Wire reinforced. Yeah, and normally those ducts are located inside of the boat, in between the ceiling and the deck. You have those elements. Should be properly attached. In the majority of the company dedicated to sell equipment, they sell those elements with the adapter, with the brackets, with all the elements necessary to install an air conditioned equipment. My friends, once again, in this calculation, you only need creativity, imagination, and be organized, and other opinion.